Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rulings for the residents of non-Islamic countries. Commemoration ceremonies. The best method of commemorating the Ahlul Bayt, peace be upon them. The best method of commemorating Imam al-Hussein alayhi salam is to hold glorious majalis for him, mention his sacred goals, and shed light on the history of Karbala and analyze it. Holding mourning processions with the highest degree of order and magnificence, using eye-catching and enlightening placards and banners is another way of commemorating the Ahlul Bayt, peace be upon them. No doubt that those who practice tatbir or qamazani do so undoubtedly for the love of Imam al-Hussein alayhi salam. However, we should be aware of our enemies' efforts to instigate hatred of Shia Muslims in the world by the means of such actions. Therefore, these people must refrain from such actions. In general, causing harm to one's body as well as doing whatever causes the degradation of the Shia school are impermissible, regardless of whether it happens by tatbir or hitting one's back with spiked chains. Instead of doing this, they could donate their blood. However, there is no objection to using regular mourning chains that have no spikes on them on the condition that they do not cause injury. Institute for compiling and publishing the works of Ayatollah Makarem Shirazi.